Now, one important application of this is the transformer. Every single one of you use a transformer every single day. That is, if you charge your phone or if you charge your computer or your Chromebook. What is the transformer that you're using with those devices? What does that look like?
The box.
It's that little box that you plug into the wall. For some cords, it's like in the middle of the cord, there's a cord, then a box, and then another cord that looks different. That is a transformer. All that is two coils that share an iron core. That is all that is, two coils. And here's how it works. You basically have one coil here, and this is just a piece of iron, so the magnetic field lines will be very strong throughout this. And then here's another coil right here. You change the current in this thing. So you just by plugging into an alternating current, you're changing the current, and that produces a changing magnetic field in this one, which then produces a changing magnetic field in this one. And what is great is, and this is not on the AP exam, but it's so awesome I had to include it, the transformer equation is this thing right here. This is the transformer equation. The only thing you got to do, if you can change any voltage that's AC to any other voltage you want. All that matters is the number of turns of the coil. The voltage difference, the AC voltage that we don't have to cover in our AP course, if the ratio that you want is you want 1 volt to turn into 100 volts, all you got to do is make the ratio of the number of turns 1 to 100. This is your secondary coil, your primary coil. If this has 100 more turns than this one, you are multiplying the voltage, the AC voltage, by 100. You don't get something for nothing. If you increase the voltage, you reduce what? Energy. Yeah, you reduce current. Energy is conserved. And that makes sense because the more turns that this has, the more blank this coil will have. The longer the wire, the more blank it has. It doesn't even have to be turns. These aren't ideal wires. They're real wires. The more resistance it has. So transformer equation, you can make any voltage you want out of an AC voltage. You can step it up or step it down. You can't create energy, but you can change the voltage to whatever you want.